Roger Lopez. Set to go now. Gates open, they're up and racing. Keyboy is Spellbinder moving up by the rail. Ideal View, then comes Let Choice at the center to grab the lead. Now we have Let Choice takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Ideal View in second. Blue Phoenix down on the inside. Then moving up on the outside is 8A Keyboy. Spellbinder second last as they round towards the 600. With Let Choice still the leader by about 3 lengths. Running in second, Ideal View. Keyboy racing in third. Then running by the rail 4 is runner number 4. Ideal View as they round at a 450 with Let Choice still leading the field. Then moving up now at the outside is Keyboy running by the rail. Erica's Jump and Ideal View. And down the stretch they come. Let Choice still leading the field. Keyboy Spellbinder is on the outside. Let Choice, Keyboy rushing up, moves up to grab the lead. And finally, we have the couple entries in a 1-2 position winning the race. Keyboy, second Spellbinder, Let Choice. Then comes Ideal View, Lucky Lorky, and Erica's Jump. Blue